Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hey there, safety-conscious drivers. Understanding the most common car accident injuries is key to preventing them. In this comprehensive video, we're exploring these injuries and providing practical tips to help you avoid them. Join us as we delve into valuable insights aimed at keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. The most common car accident injuries and how to avoid them. Car accidents are a leading cause of injuries, and knowing the most common ones can help you take precautions. From whiplash and cuts to broken bones and concussions, car accident injuries can range from minor to severe. In this post, we will discuss the most common car accident injuries and provide essential tips on how to avoid them. Whether you're a driver, passenger, or pedestrian, understanding these injuries can potentially save lives and minimize the risk of harm in the event of an accident. The most common car accident injuries: whiplash. Whiplash is a common car accident injury that occurs when the neck is suddenly jolted forward and then backward. This rapid motion can cause damage to the soft tissues in the neck, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced range of motion. Symptoms of whiplash may not appear immediately after the accident, so it's important to seek medical attention even if you feel fine initially. Concussions and head injuries. Concussions and other head injuries are frequently seen in car accidents, especially when a person's head strikes the steering wheel, window, or dashboard. Symptoms of a concussion can include headache, dizziness, confusion, and nausea. It's crucial to receive prompt medical evaluation if a head injury is suspected, as untreated concussions can lead to long-term complications. Back and spinal cord injuries. Back and spinal cord injuries are among the most severe consequences of car accidents. These injuries can result in chronic pain, paralysis, and long-term disability. Even minor fender benders can cause back injuries, so it's essential to always wear a seatbelt and adjust the headrest properly to reduce the risk of spinal trauma. Chest injuries. The impact of a car accident can cause the chest to collide with the steering wheel or seatbelt, leading to various kinds of chest injuries. These injuries can range from bruising and contusions to more severe conditions like broken ribs or internal organ damage. Properly adjusted seatbelts and airbags can help mitigate the risk of chest injuries in the event of a collision. Limb injuries. Limb injuries, such as fractures, sprains, and lacerations, are frequently sustained in car accidents due to the forceful impact and potential for the limbs to be thrown against hard surfaces within the vehicle. Wearing a seatbelt and ensuring airbags are functioning can provide a level of protection against these types of injuries, but cautious driving and adherence to traffic laws are also crucial preventive measures. Factors contributing to car accident injuries: speed and impact. Speeding significantly increases the likelihood of a severe car accident. The force generated from high-speed collisions can lead to devastating injuries, including whiplash, spinal cord injuries, and traumatic brain injuries. It's crucial for drivers to adhere to speed limits and drive at safe speeds based on road conditions. Lack of seatbelt usage. Failing to wear a seatbelt is a major contributor to the severity of car accident injuries. Seatbelts are designed to prevent occupants from colliding with the interior of the vehicle or being ejected during a collision. By neglecting to use seatbelts, individuals are at a substantially higher risk of sustaining life-threatening injuries. Airbag failures. While airbags are designed to provide an additional layer of protection in the event of a collision, malfunctions can occur, leading to serious injuries. Common airbag failures include non-deployment, late deployment, or excessive force during deployment. Regular maintenance and prompt addressing of airbag warning lights are crucial in preventing potential airbag failures. Vehicle design flaws. Certain vehicle design flaws can exacerbate injuries in the event of a car accident. This may include inadequate crumple zones, faulty door latches, or substandard roof strength. Staying informed about vehicle safety ratings and choosing models with superior safety features can mitigate the risk of sustaining severe injuries in the event of a collision. By understanding and addressing these contributing factors, drivers can take proactive measures in reducing the risk of car accident injuries, making roadways safer for all. Hey there. If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. How to avoid car accident injuries. Defensive driving techniques. When it comes to preventing car accident injuries, defensive driving techniques play a crucial role. This involves staying attentive and being prepared for unexpected situations on the road. By maintaining a safe following distance, anticipating the actions of other drivers, and staying vigilant, you can minimize the risk of being involved in a collision. Proper use of safety restraints. Utilizing safety restraints correctly is essential for reducing the severity of injuries in the event of an accident. Always wear your seatbelt properly and ensure that child safety seats are installed and used according to the manufacturer's guidelines. This simple action can significantly decrease the likelihood of sustaining serious injuries in a car crash. Vehicle maintenance and safety checks. Regular vehicle maintenance and safety checks are fundamental in preventing accidents and associated injuries. This includes maintaining proper tire pressure, checking brakes, keeping headlights and taillights in working condition, and ensuring that all essential fluid levels are adequate. By addressing these maintenance tasks, you can minimize the risk of mechanical failure that may lead to accidents. Avoiding distractions while driving. Distractions, such as texting, eating, or adjusting the radio, can significantly increase the likelihood of being involved in an accident. It's important to stay focused on the task of driving and avoid engaging in any activities that divert attention from the road. By eliminating distractions and staying fully engaged in driving, you can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries for yourself and others on the road. In conclusion, being aware of the most common car accident injuries and taking preventive measures can significantly reduce the risk of experiencing these injuries. By practicing safe driving habits, using seatbelts, ensuring proper car maintenance, and staying focused while behind the wheel, individuals can minimize the likelihood of sustaining severe injuries in the event of an accident. Additionally, seeking prompt medical attention and following through with recommended treatment in the aftermath of an accident is crucial for addressing any injuries effectively. Ultimately, prioritizing safety and preparedness on the road is paramount for safeguarding oneself and others from the potential harm associated with car accidents. Thanks for joining us as we explored the most common car accident injuries and strategies to prevent them. By staying informed and implementing safety measures, you're taking important steps towards a safer driving experience. Stay tuned for more valuable tips on ensuring your safety and the safety of those on the road. Drive safe and stay vigilant. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.